Welcome to another instructional video. Today we're going to show you how to set up your swing A-frame. It's a fairly simple process, so let's get started. The frame itself is divided into 5 individual parts, 2 side sections, and 3 horizontal bars. Bolts are used to attach the horizontal bars to the side sections of the frame. Do the exact same process for the top horizontal bar. With all 6 bolts now securing the horizontal bars to the side sections, the frame is now assembled and you're now ready to attach your graphic. Simply go ahead and attach the clips to the holes on your graphic. You're now ready to hang your graphic on the frame. And it's simple as that. You're now ready to utilize the marketing power of your swing A-frame.